Lights, camera, action. In this blockbuster cellular saga, your favorite pizza slice transforms into supercharged energy. Watch as glucose battles the forces of entropy and ATP saves the day. Coming soon to a mitochondrion near you. Meet ATP, the cellular superstar. This molecule stores energy in its phosphate bonds, ready to power everything from muscle contractions to brainwaves. Think of it as the battery that keeps your body running. Enter thermodynamics, the strict referee of biochemistry. Exergonic reactions release energy downhill, while endergonic reactions need a push uphill. Your cells cleverly couple these opposites, using ATP as the go-between. The magic happens in coupled reactions. Energy from breaking down glucose fuels ATP production, which then powers protein synthesis. It's like using pizza calories to charge your phone. Efficient and delicious. In the end, it's all about transforming nutrients into usable energy. Your cells are tiny power plants, converting that pizza into ATP for cat video marathons. The laws of physics make it possible. Exergonic meets endergonic in perfect harmony. Buckle up for the metabolic roller coaster. First stop, digestion, where enzymes chop up big molecules like carbs, fats, and proteins into smaller pieces, like turning a pizza into bite-sized chunks. Next up on our energy highway, acetyl-CoA production. This is where those pieces get converted into acetyl-CoA, the universal fuel molecule. Think of glycolysis turning glucose into pyruvate, or beta-oxidation breaking down fats. It's like refining crude oil into gasoline. Then comes the main event, the citric acid cycle, aka the Krebs cycle. In the mitochondria, acetyl-CoA gets oxidized to CO2, producing some ATP but mostly NADH and FADH2, the electron carriers that are like the VIP tickets to the ETC party. Finally, we hit the Electron Transport Chain, or ETC. NADH and FADH2 donate electrons, creating a proton gradient that powers ATP synthase, the ATP-making machine. It's like a super-efficient Rube Goldberg contraption, turning pizza into pure energy. But watch out for the pit stop. Cyanide! This sneaky poison blocks the ETC, halting ATP production and causing a metabolic traffic jam. It's like someone pulling the emergency brake on our energy highway. Not funny in real life, but a great reminder of how precise this system is. Let's zoom in on the CKC and ETC, the real powerhouses of energy production. Imagine the mitochondrion as a bustling factory, with the citric acid cycle acting like the main assembly line in the matrix. The citric acid cycle, or CAC, takes place in the mitochondrial matrix. It's like a cellular refinery that breaks down acetyl-CoA from your food, spitting out CO2 waste, GTP, which is basically ATP, and those vital electron carriers NADH and FADH2. Each turn of the cycle processes one acetyl-CoA, producing 3 NADH, 1 FADH2, 1 GTP equivalent to ATP, and 2 CO2 molecules. That's about 12 ATP equivalents per cycle. Not bad for a tiny molecular merry-go-round. These electron carriers then head over to the electron transport chain, embedded in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Here, electrons are passed along a chain of protein complexes, creating a proton gradient that drives ATP production. This gradient drives ATP synthase, which spins like a tiny turbine to generate the bulk of our ATP through chemiosmosis or oxidative phosphorylation. Each NADH yields about 2.5 ATP, FADH2 about 1.5. That's where most of the magic happens. But beware the villain, cyanide. It inhibits the ETC by binding to complex IV, halting electron flow and proton pumping. No gradient, no ATP synthesis, and suddenly you're not crushing it at the gym anymore. So next time you're crushing it at the gym, remember, it's all thanks to these tiny molecular machines working tirelessly to keep you going.